The Christian apologists in Odinaani like to paint a picture of Ebe Belu Gebelu. Christianity does not cater for your spirituality. Christianity demonizes your mmadu, which is the root that you are as a woman. It demonizes your ndiiche, which is the root that you are as a man. There is no Ebe Belu Gebelu in this instance. Now imagine a young man growing up in the traditional society. You can't go, your mates are entering masquerade. It's in Igbo Obodo. Say you no go enter masquerade. If you come outside, small pikin where you senior go flog you. This is the same reason youths are entering foreign occults. Because you come out in the street and one nonsense boy, one small pikin is prizing you on some foreign cult group. If you know if you don't align with Ndi Mmili, these little your Ndi Mmili will back out. Look at me now. If you don't align with me, you are my brother. Bro, I know send you. No matter how much you have, you are my brother. You don't align with me. You don't they call me human being. I know send you. I know you come now, you know, say if you know align with one other go wait for you until the day where they go show you, say they no send you, whether you be Okonji Iweala, they no send you. If you know, there is no apology. Guys, stop doing this apology thing. It's holding your own brain back. There is no apology. Align with your spirit so that small, you will now come, you will not go and align with your aura. We cannot prize again. Even if you align with your aura and you don't give Uke their own in a far road or Kalogeli, they will still be prizing you. Christianity, there is no Ebe Belu Gebelu in it. You cannot coexist. The first step is to call a spade a spade.